Hello, so I've gotten a lot of questions on how I do the beadwork in my comic Until Sunset for my character, the tree spirit, who is on screen right now. So I thought I might do a quick little tutorial on how I do that. It's not particularly difficult. It is a little time consuming, but it's less time consuming than alternatives. Okay, so first off, I've already put down the flat colors and shading underneath the beads. Now what I'm going to do is take a normal hard brush in Photoshop, and I'm going to take a 12-point pixel brush size, and now we're going to go to the brush tool set. So what you want to do is go up to Windows and click the brush option. And once you have that open, we're going to change the spacing. So you just grab hold of that spacing bar and you pull it up, and you'll see that it goes from being a straight line at the bottom there to a bunch of little circles. So what I have it on is 112%. So now I just draw with that like I would normally draw. Now obviously I make it harder for myself by having a bunch of different colors, so you can see now how I do that, which is like pretty simple. Where it says layers, it says lock. Click that first option, paint over the color there. You'll see that that will paint just the pixels that you have already drawn on that layer and not anything else. So once I am happy with how the colors are, I double click on that layer and I get the layer style options, and what I want to do is go to bevel and emboss and click that option, and then from there what I use is style in a bevel, technique smooth, depth 100%, direction up, size 7, soften 0. I think everything at the bottom is completely normal from what is the basic options for this, but we'll just go through it quickly. So the angle is at 90 degrees. We've clicked yes for use global light. 30 degrees altitude. Gloss contours, it is grey on the bottom right and white on the top left. Highlight mode is screen. Opacity is 50%. Shadow mode, multiply in black. Opacity 50%. So you can change this around, you can try different things with it. I feel that usually this is quite a small detail on the page, so I don't need to fiddle with those details too much, but it's always fun to try new things with this kind of stuff. Yeah, that's about it. And then I just do that for everywhere where I have beads on this character, which is quite a few places. I hope you enjoyed that. Hope it helps if you ever need to draw beads. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!